Hey everyone, I'm Daniel Madden, CTO here at MetaEarth. Let's talk about modular blockchain architecture and why it matters for builders like you. Most blockchains today are monolithic. Everything from consensus to execution is bundled into a single layer. It limits scalability, flexibility, and developer freedom. At MetaEarth, we're doing things differently. Our architecture separates consensus, data availability, identity, and app coordination into distinct, purpose-built layers. That means you can plug in only the components you need and swap them out when your use case evolves. If you want to build a custom role app with your own logic, identity layer, or token model, it's no problem. Let's say you want to build a local governance role app where citizens vote using verifiable credentials. Or you want to deploy public infrastructure registry that tracks land use, permits, or utility access on-chain. Or create a community-owned marketplace with its own reputation system and local currency. Modular design makes all of that possible without locking you into rigid infrastructure or vendor APIs. If you're building in Web3, this is where things are headed, and we'd love to build it with you. You can find the link to join the MetaEarth developer Discord below. We're sharing architecture documents, design reviews, and early access to our SDK. Come help shape what modular Web3 looks like.